I just came back from the gym. That's why I'm looking crazy. Let me stop saying that I'm looking crazy. I'm looking normal, okay? I don't have no makeup on. My hair's not done. And I want to start using this camera. I've had this camera for like a good month and I just have not been able to get into it. So the best way to get it going is to just use it, right? I just made myself a protein smoothie. What's on my agenda is I want to take some pictures of myself for real estate. I don't really have any professional pictures, and the pictures that I do have are old when my hair was like blonde or it was red, and right now I'm black. So I want to take some pictures that are current, and I'm gonna do it myself. I really don't feel like scheduling and taking time. I have people that will take my pictures, but I think that I can do a good enough job. They have apps where, you know, you can touch yourself up. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna go in the neighborhood and see if I can find some new builds and get some content and get some footage. It's gonna be my first time. And it's just all about practice. So I want you to come along with me as much as I possibly can have you come with me, because again, I'm learning this camera. I'm gonna get in the shower, do my hair and do my makeup. So let's go. Okay, now I need to set up for the pictures. It's super easy. I've always had like this camera stuff in my garage. I've never used this black one. I'm gonna try and use that today, and then I have the white one. So I'm gonna set the stuff up right here. It's a breeze. I've done it 1,000 times. Okay, now that that's set up, I'm gonna take a shower, do my makeup, and get the shoot going. All right, I'm about to do my makeup, but I don't have a tripod for this camera. So I'm using this big tripod that doesn't even fit. I'm gonna have to show you guys at some point. I'm so far away from my makeup, so I'm gonna try my best to do this, but I'm running out of time. It's 3 o'clock. And I wanna at least get out of here by maybe 4:30. I'm gonna try and do something. It doesn't have to be perfect. And the first thing is, let me wash my face and moisturize. I just feel like it's always something when it comes to creating content. You always need something. You need a light. Then the light you have is too big, so you get a smaller light. Oh, it's not bright enough. Oh, gosh. Always freaking so bad. Just wash my face using the Easy Blur. I have like big pores and I have to figure out how to get rid of them. It's just right in this area that it's too much. This is the Easy Blur foundation. So I'm gonna put that on. I think that was probably too much, actually. All right, so I use this, the NYX. Get my brows up. Then I go in with the About Face soft black. Brows are on. Then I'm gonna clean them with the Fenty 370. I've pretty much given up doing my makeup on camera because it's not working for me. I'm gonna have to figure out another setup. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put my blush on. I like a lot of blush. I'm gonna blend it out later. I'm gonna contour with the Mario Makeup by Mario in dark. I love a good contour, nose contour. I use the same thing, and I take this tiny brush and then I like go in right here and I kind of go like in a V and I bring it up to my eyebrows. Bigger brush, and I just like blend it out. My lid too. I don't wear eyeshadow. I just wear like the contour into my lid. Okay, now that the contour is done, then I'm gonna put on my concealer. And I use the same color concealer as my foundation. I just do it. I know I'm doing double the work, but I do that and then I put a lighter one on top here, like light, the lighter one, and I do the corners because you know you're gonna blend it to the nose. Do a little bit here, do a little bit on my nose like this. And I let this sit, like I'll let it sit. I'll probably do my hair or something. Okay, so everything's blended out. I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna do my hair. So I made this half wig out of human hair and I put my own clips in it. And I just always part my hair. So like right now my hair is parted halfway and then it's like braided in the back because I don't like to put a lot of heat and damage on my hair and stuff like that. I've had this for years. It used to be longer. Look how easy that is. Look at how that looks. So easy. And then I have a couple other clips that I put like on top to cover the tracks. Take this extra one and I'll put it right at the top. I'll put it up here. Right here. Just sit on the side like that. Well, my hair's not completely done, but I mean, this is giving realtor hair to me. I'll go back and just define it again in the corners. Well, then I kind of come around here and I do a powder around that again. I don't know what color this is, but I'm using NARS. It's got like some sparkle in it. MAC Hyper Real Glow is literally to the bone. And I just put a little bit here. Just for that line. People doing the like no lashes look. Honey, I feel incomplete. Spray my face. Press everything in. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. I still have to do my hair. All right, so this is me in the light, but yeah, makeup is done. Okay, so I need to find something to wear for the photo shoot. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna wear these suits that I got from Fashion Nova because they're like the easiest thing. It's got the vest and the pants, and then I'll probably pair it with a white shirt. Okay, so I have this outfit on. It's not all the way on. Let me turn this around. So I have this outfit on. I still have to put pants on. But I want to wear a tie with it, and I don't know how to tie a tie, so I'm about to YouTube it.
Hi there. I'm going to show you one of the most popular ways to tie a tie.
Learning how to tie a tie, y'all.
And over the top, and leave about this much on the narrow end. Alright, here comes the punchline. Thread the tie down through the tunnel, gradually pulling the knot up, shaping it as you go, until it's just how you want it to be.
I did it, y'all. I did it. Okay. I think I got it. All right, I got it, y'all. Put these pants on. What y'all think? I like where it's going. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna shoot because I just gotta do this and we'll come back. And I think for good measure, I'm gonna go with, these are all clean clothes. I just don't have any hangers. For good measure, I think I'm gonna throw this Fendi sweater on. So I'll have 3 outfits to work with for like right now. Okay, I did 2 looks with a tie, so I need to do another photo shoot and diversify, but it's getting late and I wanna go to a new home so I can try and get some footage. So I am gonna have to cut this short, but this is the look. I feel like it turned out pretty good and I'm gonna have to do this again, all right?